Hi, my name is Sarah and I'm currently in my third year of biology at the University of York. I did a replacement year at the University of Western Australia, and that was through the Worldwide Exchange program at York University. It was one of the best decisions I've made. My year was amazing, and I highly recommend it to anyone who's ever thought about it, or even if you haven't thought about it, to consider it, because it was really challenges you, but it also pushes you and makes you discover things you never knew. So what I wanted to say to you guys is the reason I applied was to challenge myself, see what it's like to live in Australia, experience the culture here and everything it has to offer. I would say for the application process, it is because you just started first year, you've got to look into it quite soon. So if you guys are in first year now, you've basically got to start looking into it straight away. And to make the application, to make a competitive application, I would recommend going to all the information nights, keep a look on your emails, start looking on the website, on the University of York Worldwide Exchange website. There's a lot of helpful information. Set up meetings with your supervisor, with the biology department, with Phil Lang, who's been really helpful. So yeah, there's a lot of help available if this is something you're interested in. So I just wanted to say that it is challenging, especially when you get here, because you've got to sort out all the paperwork, the visas, the health insurance, the everything. So it's a lot, it's overwhelming at the beginning, but it pays off, and it's so worth it when you're here and once you've settled. And then obviously you've got the academic stress to juggle that, and they assess differently, they teach differently. But honestly, the things you can do here and being in a different country, it's so worth it. I started surfing. You go to the beach every weekend, you've got the warm weather, you've just got, everything. You're getting to see wildlife. So if that's something that interests you, it's worth it. And also what I got up to, you have 4 months holiday in the Christmas breaks over December, because that's summer. And I did volunteering within a ecology company, and that was the best decision I've made. It was 3 weeks patrolling beaches, tagging flatback turtles, and that was honestly like the best 3 weeks of my life, to be that close to marine species and to be on beaches that a lot of people don't get to see and are untouched. And then I also did some volunteering with Teach Learn Grow, which is a company where you go to rural Australia and you help tutor less disadvantaged students. And that was so rewarding, and it was also a really good way for me to meet people and expand my network in Australia. And as a result, I'm now doing a year in industry in Australia, at an Alzheimer's research center. So yeah, I've came here for a year, but then I wanted to stay another year, and it ended up happening. So I would say, the opportunities are endless, and an exchange year anywhere is going to benefit you so much. So I would really start looking into it, and I highly recommend it. And if you have any questions, I'm happy to answer anyone's questions.